Did you know that someone in the world develops dementia every 3 seconds? Data shows that this number will double every 20 years. In 2020, the number of people living with dementia was 55 million. It is estimated that this number will reach 78 million in 2030 and 139 million in 2050. The problem is that not all dementia patients are able to receive an early diagnosis and proper medications. About 60% of people with dementia are from low-income countries, and most of them don't have access to treatment. Even in high-income countries, only 20 to 50% of dementia cases are recognized and treated. In low and middle-income countries, the number of undiagnosed cases is suggested to be 90%. This concludes that worldwide, approximately 3/4 of people with dementia have not received a diagnosis and therefore cannot receive medical treatment. To help everyone in the world have access to proper diagnoses and medications, we developed the Lucerebrum, a compound of the words lucid and cerebrum. The Lucerebrum is a wearable dementia monitoring and treatment device. The two large functions of this device are neuroimaging diagnosis and medication using electrical nerve stimulation. It is made in a mesh form, allowing the network between the vertices. First, through neuroimaging, an electromagnetic wave is generated, and by sensing the ray, the status of the user's brain is analyzed. This image not only gives an indication of dementia, but it can also be stored as the user's record that can be used for further medications. After the monitoring process is done, using an electrical current of low voltage, electrical stimulations help specific regions of the brain to activate and especially have a significant effect on the improvement of verbal memory. When abnormal brain activity is detected, an emergency protocol activates and a contact is made for the patient's safety. We aim to minimize the treatment gap, which refers to the phenomenon of only a small part of the worldwide population having access to dementia diagnosis and medications. The main cause is that the cost needed for treatment is quite high. Although patients receive unpaid care by their loved ones, it still costs about an average of $6,900 per month for memory care. In order to close the treatment gap, early intervention must be made. Dementia is no longer only a problem among the elderly. Studies show that dementia may have been developed in the brain for as long as 20 years before its symptoms are observed. In order to prevent severe cases of onset dementia, or dementia that develops in the brain from a young age, preemptive diagnosis is crucial. Let's take a look at the ERRC grid of Lucerebrum. First, the universalization of this device will eliminate the treatment gap between people worldwide. Secondly, we raise the effectiveness and convenience of medical care. Thirdly, the Lucerebrum reduces high financial costs for treatment, leading to a reduction of the percentage of people who cannot receive proper diagnoses and medications. Lastly, it creates a new genre of wearable technology that monitors and records data of the brain, enabling further development in the dementia care industry. Then, how is the Lucerebrum a perfect match as a blue ocean industry? Compared to the most commonly used technology, MRI, our product shows many advantages. First, unlike the costly diagnosis technologies, the Lucerebrum offers an affordable, convenient system. Also, because it is wearable, our product has higher mobility. We decided to make the device in the form of a mesh in order to make it easier for patients to move while having the device on. Lastly, the amount of data accumulated by using the device is much more massive compared to other technologies. This allows proactive diagnosis as well as further research on dementia. Let's take a look at the 3 tiers of non-customers. The current market is a small fraction of dementia patients. Our first tier would be the high-risk population. Next, the second tier would be people who think of wearable technology as hard to use. Our product is made in a flexible structure, making it easy to even put on a hat after putting on the device. Lastly, our third tier is the younger generations who want a proactive diagnosis. Our market is currently a mass of $5.08 billion and is estimated to become $6.94 billion in 2026. We provide an equal chance for everyone for a cost of $400. We believe that Lucerebrum will build the path to a clear mind.